Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do the Monochromatic Project Pan. I've been doing this since the beginning of the year. Each month is a different color of products that you can work on. Switches out every month. Last month was white. The color for May is red. So if you're excited to see my progress on all my white products and what products I'm pulling out to work on for red, then keep watching. So I'm really excited with my progress and the products that I was actually able to finish up during the month of April for the color white. So let's get into it. First thing I have is my First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I absolutely love this stuff. It is perfect for priming your face for foundation as well as a moisturizer. So I don't use a moisturizer with this. This is kind of a 2-in-1 product for me, and I highly recommend you guys check this out. I already have a backup of it, but I am really happy to be done with this. This was also in a Partners in Cream Project Pan. If you haven't seen the latest update, I will link that up above, but highly recommend you guys check that stuff out. Another product I finished up for white was my Essence All About Matte. This is the Fixing Compact Powder. Now it looks stark white when the product is in there, but it is translucent on your face. I actually finished this up today and really happy about it. I have a backup and I've also repurchased another backup as well. I have a huge Ulta order coming very soon, so I will be filming that when it gets here, but this will be in that haul. Love this stuff. This is about $34, really cheap, but a lot of the times this kind of plastic packaging has broken off and the clasp kind of breaks off, especially if you travel with this. But I think for the money and how good it is at setting your foundation, face, what have you, this is pretty good stuff. Then I had the First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. And honestly, I didn't use this as much as I probably should have, especially for being pregnant. Definitely need to work on this some more. So I still have a lot of product to go on that one. Another product was the Origins Checks and Balances. This is the Frothy Face Wash. And this is my favorite product to wash my face. I actually wasn't using this as religiously this month either. I was using the Tarte Exfoliating Cleanser. I think it has AHA in it, which I'm not sure if I really technically should be using that while being pregnant, but I am using that and this kind of interchangeably. So this should be done very soon, probably in empties coming up here. Love this. I've already purchased a backup of it. Highly recommend. Has like a pepperminty scent. Just definitely frosts up on your face and makes your skin feel squeaky clean. Highly recommend. I pulled out my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette for Diffused Light, which is this white shade here, and I love this powder. So I like Incandescent a little bit better. This is more kind of a matte shimmer. I like to use it as my highlight. It is my highlight today, as well as I top sometimes the tops of my eyeshadow with it just to kind of help brighten up the look. That's what I did today as well. So I've really been gravitating towards this palette a whole lot this year because one of the older face palettes in my collection. So still really liking using this, and that was a really gorgeous powder. You can purchase it by itself right now. Another product for last month was my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in Vanilla. And I thought I was going to be done with it, but not quite. Probably in the next month or two it will be done. I love this to kind of just set my eyeshadow primer. I put it from my brow bone all the way to like my eyelashes and just all over. Kind of gives a nice matte base for other eyeshadows to kind of blend on top of, as well as gives that nice kind of color to your brow bone without being like super shimmery or anything like that. So like that shadow, will continue to use it. And then the last thing, after doing that update video, I threw it on my vanity and I forgot about it. But this is the Zabana Essentials Banana Collidial Oatmeal Face Mask and Scrub. And like I said, I forgot about this. It was just sitting on my vanity for about a month. Didn't reach for it, so hopefully I can be a little bit more mindful this month to use it. So getting into May, the color is red, as you can tell by my lips. But let's get into the products that I am pulling in for the project. I actually don't have a lot of red products, just like the product itself or packaging, so a lot of these are kind of gimme products. But let's start off with my lips. This is Bite Beauty's Mousse Boost Lipstick in Maple. And I typically wear this like in the winter fall time, so having it in May is very kind of different for me, but I think too it's kind of like summertime, Memorial Day, that kind of stuff. So that is the lipstick on. I don't think I'm going to be finishing it, but I am happy to kind of bring this out during this month a little bit more, playing with it, because Bite Beauty lipsticks are a little bit more natural ingredients, so it does go bad a little faster. Something from last month that I saw has red in it was that First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. You can see on the packaging it has red on here, the wording, so I had to throw it in here because I do need to continue to use this. So I will be working on that baby during this month. The next item is the Becca Luminous Blush in Snapdragon, and this is kind of a pinky red kind of blush, and I don't reach for it that much. You definitely need a light hand. It is actually the blush I'm wearing now, very lightly dusted, but right here is the swatch, so it's kind of like a pinky red. It has some shimmer to it, a little bit more deeper though than like NARS Orgasm. So I will be hopefully playing with this blush a little bit more. This is one of those blushes I thought was super pretty that I always kind of never reached for it, so this will be fun to play with. And then the last thing that I have that has red in it, like seriously I couldn't find anything, was my Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream SPF 35, and you'll see it has red lettering on the BB cream, kind of a gimme product. I finished up my foundation I was working on. I did just purchase the It Cosmetics foundation that has SPF 50, so I'm going to try that out. I don't know if this is discontinued too. I couldn't find it on Ulta or Sephora online. Let me know if you know. I can find it on Amazon. So if this is discontinued, I will be very sad. If you like this and have another BB cream that has SPF in it that you really like, let me know in the comments down below. But I am almost done with this, so probably will finish it this month, especially going to the pool and stuff like that. So yeah, that is that product. But that is everything for the Monochromatic Project Pan. Let me know how you guys are doing on this project as well, and what products you think I'll be able to finish up this month. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around.